guys, welcome to Simple Math. I will explain in this video how to calculate the area of a compound shape. This is the compound shape. The instruction is get the total area of the shape. What I usually do is like I cut the shape into two parts to make two like plane shapes, two different plane shapes. If you see, I'm going to divide this plane shape into two parts. It looks like a circle and it looks like a trapezoid. So I will divide this into two parts. This is the half of a circle and this is a trapezoid. So I'm going to call this the shape number 1 and I'm going to call this the shape number 2. Yes? So let's calculate the area of the shape number 1 and the area of the shape number 2. The formula of a trapezoid, remember, the area of a trapezoid, which is the area of the plane shape number 1, is the big base plus the small base, or the big plus the small, small plus big, base 1 and base 2, everything times or multiplied by the height, and at the end we divide by 2. What is the base 1? We have it, which is 14. The base 2, we have it. Look, because if this is 8, that means that this is 8. So this is going to be also 8 centimeters. Yes, we can draw here a rectangle, which is 8. So we have the base 1, which is the big base, the base 2, which is the small base, and the height. We also have the height. Because it's from this to here is 5 centimeters, that means that this is also 5 centimeters, you see? 5 centimeters. Oops. 5 centimeters. This is the height of this trapezoid. Yes? So we also have the height. So let's calculate the area of the plane shape number 1, which is a trapezoid. The area of the plane shape number 1 is big base, which is this one, 14 centimeters, plus the base 2. The base 2 is 8 centimeters. Look, this is the base 2, 8 centimeters. Everything multiplied times the height. But what is the height? The height is 5 centimeters. And everything divided by 2. Here I can't cancel things because 2 and 5, they are not possible to be simplified. So I'm going to solve this addition. 14 plus 8 is 22. So the area of the shape number 1 is equal to 14 plus 8 is 22 centimeters times 5 centimeters, everything over 2. We have two options. We multiply and then we divide by 2. But here I can simplify things. I can simplify 2 and 22. 2 is divisible by 2, so 2 divided by 2, 1. 22 divisible by 2 is 11. So 11 times 5 is 55. The area of the plane shape number 1 is equal to 55 centimeters squared. This is the area of this trapezoid, okay, of the trapezoid. So I will keep this here. The area of the trapezoid is equal to 55 centimeters squared, okay? And I will do the same thing with the shape number 2, which is a circle. Well, the half of a circle. Okay, so this is the shape number 2. Remember the formula of a circle. The area of a circle, let's call the shape number 2. The area of a circle is pi times the radius raised to the power of 2. What is pi? Pi is 3.14, and the radius, we can calculate the radius based on the shape. We know that the radius is the half of the diameter. If from here to here is the diameter, this is the radius. So the radius is equal to the half. In this case is 4 centimeters, is the half of 8. So we have pi, we have the radius, so we can calculate the area. The area of the shape number 2 is equal to pi, 3.14 times the radius to the power of 2. So the radius is 4, so we have 4 centimeters to the power of 2. And remember, we are not calculating a full circle, we are calculating the half of a circle, so we divide everything by 2. Okay, we divide everything by 2. So the area of the shape number 2 is equal to 4 centimeters raised to the second power. We have 3.14. 4 times 4 is 16, so times 16 centimeters squared over 2. So here we have two options. So we multiply the things and then we divide by 2, or here I can simplify things. 2 divided by 2, 1, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I have to multiply 8 times 3.14. How much is 8 times 3.14? Equal 25.12. So the area number 2, which is the half of this circle, is 25.12 centimeters squared. Okay? So I will keep this here. The area of the shape number 2 is equal to 25.12 centimeters squared. Yes, this is the area of the shape number 2. And then remember to calculate the full area or the compound area, we add the area number 1 and the area number 2. So the total area is going to be the area of the shape 1 plus the area of the shape number 2. So the total area is going to be area number 1, 55 centimeters squared, plus the area number 2, which is 25.12 centimeters squared. The total area is 80.12 centimeters squared. And that's the way we calculate the area of this compound shape. Again, guys, thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.